Here we go.
Oh, shut up.
Let's read it.
Damn it. Not the stuff from the very fucking beginning.
Okay. And this is a test today.
Use those buyouts posed a threat to national security after Trump extended the offer to the intelligence community, including the CIA. They also expressed alarm at reports the White House requested a list of all CIA workers.
The test started at 2:31 a.m.
Mass fire FBI agents, forced resignations on CIA officers, out CIA officers. You are asking, you're inviting an attack on the United States.
The CIA spokesperson
I mean Ramen noodles.
Part of a holistic strategy to infuse the agency with renewed energy, provide opportunities for rising leaders to emerge, and better position the CIA to deliver on its mission. Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, says it's working to drastically slash the federal workforce. According to the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid, DOGE now has access to their systems, which provide coverage for over 140 million Americans. Overnight, a new ruling revealed who on DOGE has access to the Treasury Department's federal payment system, including a 25-year-old engineer who worked for Musk's X and SpaceX.
What the DOGE team at Treasury is doing is creating a system through which they can track the flow of taxpayer dollars. It has nothing to do with individual citizens' data.
On Capitol Hill yesterday, Democrats called on Musk to testify before Congress.
I move that the committee subpoena Elon Musk to come before it as a witness.
We got
of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
(2:31 a.m. until 2:46 a.m. So this was an EAS number 43, 44, and 45.
And maybe tomorrow morning they'll have the weekly test on the weather radios.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
At 11:15.
Yeah.
So we need to get up around 11.
Yeah.
Alright? Alright. Are you done filming yet?
After this.
After the banner's done?
Yeah. And remember that the EAS, the required weekly test, on the TV, it says it starts at 2:31 a.m. Yep, and it pops up. That's the good news.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Good night.
Okay. Remember. 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 For talking that, there was a last year there was a statewide failure.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good night.
At the tornado siren test.
I know. That's fine. Good night.
Good night. Mom, we're gonna hug and kiss for good night.
I just saw my movie all over again for the bat. Go to bed. I love you.
We got EAS number 43
Yes.
through
45.
45.
Okay.
And talk to introduce yourself to the siren test. There was a siren test is a failure.
Okay.
It could be fix the sirens, fix and changing some dates.
Okay, Jeffrey. I need to go. Bye.
Excuse me.
Jeffrey, come on!
Oh, it's tuned.
Beautiful, okay? Like 4 hours of just messing around.
Okay, Jeffrey.
Finally.
We're bad.
Figure out.
Okay.
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 Turn your camera off.
Okay, that was a prize. It was the start. The test is start at 2:31 a.m.
Yes. Okay. Good night. Finish making your ramen noodles, and then go eat them and go to bed.
Because yesterday there was a statewide failure.
Yes, I know.
What is a statewide failure?
Yes, I know. I was there. Okay. Because it was a winter weather advisory day.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's canceled.
Right. It's canceled. Okay. Good night.
See, we fixed it here. We were here at the 911 call center for the siren tests for all the national monthly statewide tornado sirens for let's just about in 30 seconds or so. Didn't resend.
Where are you brains in your ass? Don't you know anything?
Okay, that's it.
You guys always think I know everything. You never tell me.
That's it.
That's it for today.
Okay. Goodbye.
All right.
That's it, Jeffrey.
That's it for 2:31 a.m. That was a test today.
Okay, Jeffrey.
Oh,
Press stop, okay?
I can't see it everything.
Okay, you want me to press stop?
Yeah.